Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
It all started in 2010 when a then 19-year-old Sam Ballard was dared to swallow a garden slug by his mates. Who among us can honestly say we haven't taken part in a dare or two at this age when having a few drinks with our friends? Sadly for Sam, it was the beginning of an unimaginable turn. The slug spread a very rare infection to Sam called rat lungworm. While typically only rodents are attributed to spreading the worm, it's possible for slugs to spread it after eating infected rat feces. In an even worse turn of events, the majority of people who contract rat lungworm never experience any symptoms, but Sam was in the tiny percent of people who don't recover due to a severe brain infection. A bride in Maine received the perfect wedding present when her ailing dad got up from his wheelchair last Saturday and walked her down the aisle. In October 2012, Heather Duquette's father, Ralph Duquette, was diagnosed with leukemia and had to use a wheelchair after extensive chemotherapy. Heather Duquette had to accept that health issues with her father would prevent him from walking her down the aisle on her wedding day. She said today to ABC News, "We spoke about it a year ago, but we realized it wasn't going to be possible in the condition he was in," she said. To Duquette and her wedding guests' surprise, her father got up from his wheelchair and walked down the aisle. Ralph Duquette's only people told about his plan were his physical therapists, his caretaker, and the DJ for the wedding. "I was overwhelmed when I saw him stand up and come to me," said Heather Duquette. "I began to cry out uncontrollably before everyone." Ralph Duquette knew he wanted to do this, as he told ABC News that his daughter had been engaged in August 2014. He had his doctor arrange home visits with a nurse and physical therapist who began this past April and proceeded to help him recover strength in his legs through the week before the wedding. "I sort of felt safe when she took my hand and walked down," Ralph Duquette said. "It was so amazing that she was so satisfied. It was something every dad dreams of." Also at the party, Ralph Duquette and his daughter danced to Al Martino's Daddy's Little Girl. "It was my life's greatest day, and my father gave me the greatest surprise of my life," said the bride.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.